Let's go across to Ajay, who is in conversation with Motilal Oswal's management.
Well, that's correct. Quarterly numbers are out, and I have with me Mr. Ramdev Agarwal to discuss the numbers. Mr. Agarwal, thank you very much for your time. Good numbers this time round. The big drivers have been the capital market division and asset management. But do you think that this kind of growth rate, what's the outlook? Do you think 36% and 18% kind of growth rate can be, matched in the coming quarters?
Yeah, so it is very difficult to, capital markets are sentiment driven, so we have very little control over it. But in capital markets we have two businesses. One is the broking, which is mother business, which grew by about 17-18%. So there I think it is completely dependent on what the customers will behave. Because it's a transaction. If they don't want to do transaction, I can do nothing about it. I have all the distribution, all the capital costs and everything. But it is on the customer's mood, whether they would like to transact or not. So we have seen large fluctuations in the customer behavior, but last year was still okay. It was good actually. We gained market share, and that's why our performance is not very good, but still good. We have grown on the whole. Asset management has done very well because last year, see, asset management is very different from capital market, because here you have the client's assets with yourself. So what happens is that it's a stock business, and here we have about 38,000 crores of the client money. That generally doesn't go. Even in a market goes down somewhat 5-10%, there will be mark to market down of 5-7%. But basically the core of that 38,000 doesn't change, and hence that becomes a stable business. So I don't know, this 38% growth is quite a large number for last year. Because this growth is actually whatever accretion happened during the year, even earlier years. So this year, since the accretion is starting very slow, in fact last 2-3 months has been quite challenging in terms of flow, and you are seeing that record low of flows and all. So now my only option is, when the market goes up, mark to market I'll get.
Sure.
See, this business it grows two ways. One, by mark to market, and second, net inflow. The net inflow outlook is not so great right now, but mark to market can be anything. I mean, if there is a stable government, if corporate profits come back, I think we can see some good mark to market. And the moment mark to market comes, people look back and then they start sending checks.
Right. The other big delta which has come in this quarter is the housing finance business. The Aspire has been, changed to Motilal Oswal Housing Finance, and we did the exclusive news break that the segment of the business is on the cusp of turnaround. That turnaround has happened this time round. Tell us what has been the ingredients of that turnaround. The difficult phase for you.
Yeah, so we had about 5,000 crores book, say March 18, and where it was built very quickly, and the impact got aggravated at the time of demonetization. Because at that time, our organization setup was new, and it was also not complete, in the sense that recovery, see, as I was talking to you, in housing finance business, the NPA is a chakravyuh. First thing you should not have, but if you have, you should not have very large. But once you get NPA, how do you get out of it? How do you resolve that? That is the biggest trick you need. First thing is, don't underwrite in such a way that you have a large NPA, and if you have NPA, how do you resolve it? Because you will have NPA. However good you are, 1%, 2%, 3% will have. So in our book, the NPA was little larger, and it was the demonetization impacted that segment the most. So we had about 7-8% or maybe 9% of our gross book becoming NPA. So the entire process of possessing the underlying houses and then selling it back. So that process we have come up to, possession part of it. Now this disposals, I think 60-70 crores worth of houses have been repossessed. Now the reselling will start this year. Now at what pace we are able to resell, that will determine how fast we write back. So good thing about housing finance is that yes, we have provided humongously for all the gross NPA. But there is also going to be recovery, which process will start in the current year. So my recovery, see, I think in the Q4 we made about 8-9 crores profit.
Yes.
I think it will be a little slower, in the sense that we think that every quarter it will pick up in
So
terms of
analysts are
recovery.
expecting that sequentially from here on, this end of the business will start keep on showing some profit.
See, last year we have shown almost PBT loss of about 210 crores, 212 crores. And so this year, we expect that there will be a good amount of profit. Now, at what pace this disposal happens, because whatever I dispose of, that comes back as a credit straight. So apart from my normal profit, I'll also get profit from disposal of the bad assets. So I think we are cautiously optimistic, but I hazard to give any number in terms of what can happen. But from here onwards, like what gives me encouragement is that the new book which we are creating, which is slow, like in last 15-17 months, 600 crores or 700 crores we disbursed. In that we have a zero NPA.
Sure.
One case has come which is of 30 days plus or something like that. So it is so we have now got the recipe of how to underwrite well, you know. But the recipe of resolving the NPAs is still under work in progress.
But that commentary from you clearly would be giving shareholders a lot of relief, because though your business is cyclical in nature, but that housing finance did not going as per plan also led to some amount of wealth destruction, or people got it. But I think this will clearly give a lot of relief to them. Guys, with that, it's back to you, Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, talking about their quarterly results and also how they are putting things back in order in the business which was facing difficulties. So cyclical nature of the business will not stop them from doing good business in coming quarters.
Absolutely, Ajay. Thanks so much for that exclusive break, as well as confirming it with the management that what their plans are going ahead for the housing finance business.